Hello everyone. Today we will do question number 5 of exercise 13b of book D1. What is the statement of the question? The question is a piece of wire 144 centimeter long is bent to form a semicircle. Find diameter. What we have to do, we need to find the diameter. Okay, if the length of this whole wire is 144 centimeter and the shape is of semicircle, that's mean we are talking about the circumference, as circumference is the length of the boundary. But there is a one more addition, that we are not talking about the length of just this semicircle, we are talking about the length of this side also. And we know that in circle the distance from these 2 points is diameter. This is diameter. Okay, and if we will look, 144 centimeter is, that's mean 144 centimeter is equals to the boundary of the semicircle. We know that the circumference of the semicircle is pi r, as we know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, but we are talking about the semicircle only half. So we will divide this circumference over 2. So we have the value as pi r. That's mean the boundary and the circumference of the semicircle will be taken as pi r. Plus, we know that along with this, the boundary of this side, the semicircle, we have this length also, that is diameter, like this. Okay, now pi will be as it is. Can I replace radius with d by 2? As we know that our radius is equals to half of the diameter, so I have just replaced the value of radius plus d as it is. Now what will we do? We will replace all the values. 144 centimeter will be as it is. Pi is 22 by 7. D, we don't know the value of d. 2 as it is. Multiplication sign, and there is a sign of addition, and plus d as it is. Next one is, we will do the simplification to 1s are and to 11s are. We have answer 11d over 7 plus d, that is equals to 144 centimeter. Now there is a sign of addition between these two values, so we will not shift the value on the other side till we will solve them. So we have the LCM as 7. We will take the LCM and solve them, that is equals to 7d. 144 centimeter will be as it is. So 144 centimeter is equals to 18d over 7. Now we will multiply 144 centimeter with 7, as 7 will be multiplied on the other side and 18 will be divided on the other side. So after solving this, we have the answer of the d is, the diameter is 56. After simplification, 56 centimeter. That is the